Consistency. Quality. Interoperability. Reliability. Global marketability. Innovation. These are just a few of the benefits that come from the standards that are developed, published, and maintained by IEEE. Today's technology explosion is made possible because of these standards, which span a broad range of materials, methods, and services.
但是 IEEE 呢，它有个非常宽泛的标准，它从电子的、信息的，甚至包括这个电网的，然后医疗的。 很多方面都有一些成功的一些技术和标准。
They help simplify product development with huge time-to-market implications.
You can sort of see into the future where things will go. And it's critical to being able to make decisions that cost a lot of money in developing products, is to know where things are going from a market standpoint.
This drives the development of high-performing products with breakthrough performance.
Conforming to standards is really allows manufacturers to innovate, to differentiate product and add additional value to consumers, and it really make them more attracted to the final product. To choose something that conforms to a standard rather than something that does not.
What standards allow is for people to compete and to create and invent with the assurance that the underlying systems will permit interoperability.
IEEE's globally implemented standards influence and transform how we live, work, and communicate. IEEE has over 900 active standards within a historic portfolio of over 3,600 standards, and more than 500 additional standards being actively developed or revised. Through an open process that brings together people from a wide array of technical disciplines in more than 160 countries.
When I think of IEEE standards, I think of simplicity, I think of reliability, and I think of uniqueness.
IEEE standards are the way to shape the technical world.
IEEE standards are technology-driven.
IEEE standards are open, competitive, and cutting-edge.
The IEEE standards development process ensures high quality, market relevance, and compatibility, touching virtually every type of technology, from aerospace and healthcare to manufacturing, transportation, and wireless, in both theory and application. Here are 3 distinct examples of areas where IEEE standards are highly visible. The first is power and energy, enabling today's power industry to generate and distribute power safely and smoothly, while meeting ever-increasing and sometimes conflicting demands for both output and conservation. IEEE standards have formed a foundation of uniform methods and practices, following the evolution of electric power and charting the course for the next 100 years in emerging areas like the smart grid, which will revolutionize power distribution around the world. Green and alternative energy technologies to combat global climate change and meet the increasing demands of Earth's growing population. IEEE standards are active in communications, where a mind-boggling array of voice, data, graphics, and video are being delivered at ever-increasing speeds through rapidly evolving devices. In fact, the original IEEE 802 standard just celebrated its 30-year anniversary as the preeminent driver of modern telecommunications. And finally, IEEE standards are applied to computers and information technology, fueling the development of more versatile devices whose power and adaptability is increasing at an exponential rate. Less than 50 years after their inception, microcomputers are now seamlessly interwoven into virtually every aspect of our lives, And IEEE standards are facilitating this light speed evolution in areas like cloud computing, virtual environments, and serious gaming. The technology fueling our world is only possible when we speak with one language, using tools, terms, and metrics that are universally understood and applied. Through seminars, conferences, and workshops held across the globe, we want you to know about IEEE standards. We're here to help you bring great ideas to commercial success. IEEE standards are all about consensus, and we build it.